The coastal water of California in so many places looks very good and very healthy, but the surface of the sea can be and is deceiving. It conceals severe stress beneath the waves.
There's three threats that I see. One is overfishing, which I've seen firsthand and recorded at Moss Beach. The other is pollution, oil spills, sewage, and that sort of thing. But the third is climate change and ocean warming.
Fish populations are declining dramatically, putting those who fish for a living out of work. California's aquatic ecosystems are under assault and vulnerable to collapse. But the scientific community says there's a solution to the emerging ecological crisis along California's coast. Many places around the world have established underwater parks and marine protected reserves, and they've proven essential to saving ocean environments.
The science is saying that marine protected areas are successful. For example, in more than 100 studies done on marine reserves around the world, they found that biomass, that's the total wet weight of all the plants and fishes and invertebrates, they increased an average of 400%.
In marine parks and reserves, fish sizes have increased 28% and biodiversity 21%.
Without marine reserves, the whole deck of cards could fall apart because marine reserves provide protection for the big old fat female fish, the buffs, and they provide habitat protection.
A plan has been developed over the past several years to create a network of marine protected areas along the California coast. Representatives from fishing, science, business, recreation, conservation, and many other interests have worked closely together to create the plan, which they believe will work for everyone, and for the ocean too.
The plan that we're proposing is the integrated preferred alternative, and that will protect about 156 square miles of California coast from Half Moon Bay to the Mendocino coast.
The integrated preferred alternative plan for establishing ocean parks and reserves will protect iconic areas along California's north-central coast, while still allowing fishing in most places. Now, the fate of the plan and the future of the California coast will be determined at a meeting of the California Fish and Game Commission on August 5th.
I think it's very important that the Fish and Game Commission pass the IPA on August 5th. The 48 stakeholders that worked on this plan, we weren't doing it just for ourselves, we were doing it for future generations, for the oceans belong to them and to all Californians.